Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be comparing two amazing network management devices, the TP-Link Omada hardware controller and the NETGEAR 8 port-PoE switch. If you're in the market for a network management tool, then this video is for you. So let's get started. The TP-Link Omada hardware controller retails for $100 US, while the NETGEAR 8 port-PoE switch can be yours for $79 US. So, the NETGEAR switch is more affordable than the TP-Link Omada controller. The TP-Link Omada hardware controller provides centralized management for up to 100 Omada devices, with 2 fast Ethernet ports and 1 USB 2.0 port for auto backup. Whereas the NETGEAR 8 port-PoE switch comes with 8 Gigabit Ethernet ports and 8 PoE Plus ports with 123 W total power budget. So, if you need more ports, the NETGEAR switch is the way to go. The TP-Link Omada hardware controller comes with features like dual power selection, easy network monitor and maintenance, cloud access with no license fee, SDN compatibility, and limited lifetime warranty. In comparison, the NETGEAR 8 port-PoE switch has basic managed capabilities to configure, secure, and monitor your network, industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty, energy-efficient design compliant with IEEE 800 2.3 as, and silent operation ideal for noise-sensitive environments. So, if you're looking for more advanced features, the TP-Link Omada controller might be a better fit for you. There you have it, guys. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision based on your requirements. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Bye.